But tonight, there was one sound I couldn't tune out.
Why aren't you eating, Sheldon?
How can I with that horrible noise?
What noise?
That irritating high-pitched buzz.
I don't hear nothing.
Me neither.
How can you not?
Wait, I think I hear it.
You do?
Yeah, it's coming out of your face.
I guess I hear a little hum. Refrigerators make noise, Shelden.
This is new. It's never made this sound before. We should call a repairman.
I'm not spending money on a fridge that's working.
Then think of it as spending money on my mental stability.
Ignore it, Shelden.
Ignoring things that irritate me isn't my strong suit. Obsessively fixating on them, now that's what gets me out of bed in the morning.